Put alcohol on the avocado. You will never suffer again. To start, we'll need an avocado. It's important that it's not too ripe. Let's cut it in half. As for this recipe, we'll only use the avocado pit. Most people don't realize what this simple pit is capable of. You'll be surprised when you find out. Now I'll wash it and remove the skin around the pit, and I'll be back shortly to show you the power of the avocado pit. Now, with the help of a knife, let's cut the avocado pit into smaller pieces. This step is very simple because the avocado pit, even though it doesn't seem like it, is super soft. Did you know that almost 80% of the world's population throws this away? I'll explain to you why the other 20% don't throw it in the trash. After cutting, it's normal for the avocado pit to change color slightly. The combination of these two ingredients is truly amazing. I'm sure you'll see differences immediately. These two ingredients are a powerful home remedy that you should have at home. It's also excellent for elbows, which hurt a lot when we move daily or lift weights. Also, I use it almost daily on my heel because I always feel a lot of pain. We put all the cut pit pieces in a container that must have a lid, and then we'll add 300 milliliters of alcohol, or enough to completely cover the container. I bet you didn't know, but alcohol mixed with avocado pit was a powerful medicine. This mixture was manually made as a medicine to cure headaches, stomachaches, and even body pains. Made from the mixture of alcohol and avocado pit. But most importantly, when we mix it with the avocado pit, we further increase its benefits. This is a great home remedy, and you need to make it at home. After adding the alcohol with the avocado pit, we'll let it rest for about 24 hours, preferably in places with little light. After 24 hours, we can use it. Let's apply it where you feel pain and leave it overnight. It's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It also helps with joint pain in your body, in your back, legs, elbows, neck, and knees. If you have a lot of leg pain or know people who have a lot of pain, you have to use this medication, just with these two ingredients. By the way, tell me which city you're watching us from, so I can greet you and say hi in the next video, and take advantage of being here and rate this tip from 0 to 10. This home remedy is also great if you have knee joint pain. If you didn't know, make it at home. Let me know if you knew about this medicinal use of avocado pit and alcohol. See you in the next tip. Goodbye.